All right, here we are in the early stages of Hurricane Ian. It is almost 9:30 in the morning, and it looks like it's going to be a direct hit for the Sarasota, Venice area, probably even more south of that. Venice, Englewood, Port Charlotte, and we are here in North Sarasota. The wind is picking up. Looks like this is the first Category 4 storm to hit this area. We're in North Sarasota right now. As of now, the storm looks to be a direct hit on Venice, between Venice and Port Charlotte. As you can see, there's already debris on the roadway. The storm hasn't even officially hit yet. We're getting gusts of about 35, 40 miles an hour. All right, we're back online, guys. We just had a 90-mile-an-hour wind gust recorded about a mile south of us on Fruitvale Road. And yeah, it's really picking up. Right now it's 2:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, we're in North Sarasota. A down tree for the first time